my voice is coming. So uh, either voice is coming. Rajkumar, am I audible? Hello. Please mention in chat box. Wait, there is call for me. Hello. Yes. मैं नो who are you speaking? कौन बोल रहे हैं आप? Regarding? No, no, not interested. So I'll share the screen. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. Just put in the chat box. My audio, voice is clear. Rajkumar says audible. Screen visible, Rajkumar? Laptop screen. Just type everybody. Yes, okay, fine. So let us start that Keel Microvision 5. We have to write this code. So take a snapshot of this. So we'll run that. So both the codes are there, and you will see it is visible to all of you. In the last year, we have done like this. So to generate a square wave of 50% in assembly and C. So I'll take a snapshot. We will run this code. So this is in assembly, and so your output will be like this first. Then also this is in C. So again, I have update the code for 70% duty cycle. So look at the waveforms. 70% is on time. Basically, it is not 70%. It is more than 70%. It is 90% somewhat. So there will be errors in writing the calculation in the code value, whatever the value that should be loaded in that. So let us see how to execute the codes. So then I want to go to open the Keel Microvision 5. can't read project file. So we could talk about that. Right? Then I'll create a new project. So MIC Lab 4, I will give the name. Right. Save it. So all these things you should know that at the time of practicals you may have to do this thing. Okay. Just we will try and see also, that's why I picture yes. Then let me check whether the code is on my email. Type it just 3 to 4 lines. We'll start writing. RC. Make sure caps lock you on. Then move tmart 20x. Don't forget to write here hash. The next instruction, I will load timer high with A4 value. Then I'll clear the port 10 pin. Then I start the timer 1 by instruction set BTR1. Then there is an instruction again colon JNBTF1. CPL means complement the pin is 1.0. Then let's jump again. Finally, end the code. So next step is I have to first of all I have to save it. square dot c, sorry, square dot si. The next step is this is the source code. I have to copy this source code to source code 1. Add existing files to the source 1. So square dot si, add, close it. One more thing I have to do, I have to this is square dot si. I have to go for the options for the target, and I'll just click on the output that I want to create the hex file, nothing else, nothing changes will be done. Okay. Then I will translate the code. So 0 error 0 1, build it. It is assembling, linking, creating hex file, all is done, 0 error. Very nice. Then we will keep focus on. Then I will debug it. It is a evaluation mode, means I can't run the code that which have the size greater than 2k. Okay, so it runs. I disable this disassembly mode. I don't require now. So we are focusing on this only. So again, I will do the serial setting. So for that, port 1 is so in that peripherals you will see the IO ports 1.0. So then look at here. After execution, that this port 0 is clear. Um, अब जब तक टाइमर फुल नहीं होगा वो ऐसा ही रहेगा. Then I will go for the logic analysis. Here it is. So this is the logic analyzer. दिख रहा है क्या आपको? I will expand it. थोड़ा कोड में नीचे ले लेता हूँ. कोड का भी अभी जरूरत नहीं है हमको. मैंने दिखाने के लिए आपको रख दिया था. Go to the setup. So here current logic analyzer signals, in that I will write here port. Which port you are using? P1.0. So I write there P1.0. I will give it red color analog. और एक सेटिंग रहता है एस बिट करके, डिस्प्ले टाइप, तो बिट करने का है, एनालॉग नहीं. राइट. ऑल अदर सेटिंग्स सेम. विल क्लोज इट. Then so I restart it. Then Some settings are missing. Load. No necessity to load the data now. Why is not showing? Setup. Current logic analysis is one. We make it analog. Form. Meantime, guys, you do one thing. There is a one video, YouTube. Just check a video on YouTube. So square wave generation. Write in that YouTube search name. That is square wave generation using Keel 5. And let me see. So that settings are there for that particular thing. Some error is there. Or just wait. I will watch that video and get the setting. We can play here. You also watch. Here you have to type where equipment where where or 805, 895 using key. Oh, usually. Just to watch what is going on. So it is a code for the writing the square wave. Just I write the a call blink or delay like that. So then I will moving the file to the source group one, that assembly file. So check whether that square wave is done there. Then build, rebuild, 0 debug, start, stop, debug. Just observe the procedure. Then go to the logic analyzer. Debug, view, logic analyzer window. Okay, fine. You go there. Setup. See here carefully. Current logic analyzer signals. In that, we'll set that particular bit. P capital 1.0. Correct. Then import. What they have done? Watch carefully. P 1.0. Then particular bit is there. Option select. Let us see. This is our file. Then go to build. 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 Go for debug. So yeah, that we have to go for the setup. Then here I have to select that port. P capital P here. P 1.0. Both remove service there. Display type B equals क्या किया था कुछ नहीं सिमुलेशन तो रन हो रहा है लेकिन going to save it. What's the difference? So right here, E1.0. Green signal is here. And here it is a bit. It is very- Here it is 0, 0. Okay, look at this. Green line comes here. And this is E1 signal. And this status on this P. वहाँ आ जाएगा. So here I have to make up a set. So setting issue is there. Square wave is coming, but not wave. So I will look afterwards in that how why it is not coming. ये बट रन दबाना चाहिए. Yes, coming. That is the square wave. दिख रहा है कुछ? ये शायद zoom out. The movement is there. Yes. That is a square wave with 50% duty cycle. Happy? So we have write a code in assembly that output is 50% square wave. So you take the screenshot of this, screenshot of the code, and here it is the code and here is the output. Done. So are you there, all of you? Yes, I want to see the number of participants. So E4 batch. Okay, 14 participants increase. Good. I'll take flattened. Chirag, Jayan, स्वप्निल. स्वप्निल के नीचे कोई नहीं है ना? Yes, only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much candidates are there in your batch, Chirag? You may speak. I will unmute you. Unmute you. How many candidates? Last batch, E4 batch. I think from 60 onwards. What is the last roll number? Just wait. I will see. Check whether that I have the roll call. It is not in this PC. I will see something. Sir, show the full code. Rajkumar says 77 is there. So still 17 have that. 14 participants. Then how it is 77? Some maybe dropout student should be there. So I think the rest is correct. It will be 14. So still there is means 11 students, still 2 to 3 students. Just find out those who just mail me or WhatsApp me the number of who are absent today. This practical. So we will take some action regarding the same. Not action means we will. Rajkumar want to see the code. Just I will show you. Just before that, snip this so that attendance should be recorded. simulation is running, that's why laptop is slow. I would see. See whether that snipping tool is still there. PDVR, alarm, NMS. Just mute your mic. Chirag, Chirag, mute your mic. Background noise is there. It is not showing here. Okay. The print screen is working. क्या हो? 40. So here it is present. Just I will take the photo. Just wait, Rajkumar. I will show you the code. No issue. So, so here it is code. I will stop debugger. So this is the code. First, we have to originate the program counter with 000 hex. Then I write 20 in tmod register. So what is the significance of this 20? It indicates the operation of mode, on which mode it operates. So can we try in the C also? The meaning of tmod 20 is that, so if you see the format for the tmod register, which I will tell you. So in that, that is the 8-bit register on LSB to MSB. Suppose let us consider that there is a D0 to D7 bits. So D0 and D1 bits indicate M0 and M1. If both the bits are 00, then it is a 13-bit timer mode, M0, M1 status. If that M0 is 1, M1 is 0, means 0, 1 is there. It operates in mode 1, and the features of the mode 1 is that it is 16-bit timer mode. So if it is 1 0, M1 M1 0 and M0 1. So at that time, mode 1 is there. It is 16-bit timer. Counter THX and TLX are cascaded. There is a no prescaler value added. And if the status is on M0 and M1 is 10, value there, then it is mode 2. It is 8-bit auto roll reload mode. Since there is a facility, it is up to user that which mode of the timer we have to use. Then it is 1 1. It is mode 3. In that case, split timer mode is there. Means you can use 8 as well as 16 also, split timer mode. So depending upon this bits are LSB is M0, then D0 bit, then D1 is M1, D2 C slash T bar. If the status is 0, it is timer mode. If it is 1, it is counter mode. Then get bit is there. Then again, same 4 bits are replicated in higher nibble, that is M0, M1, CT, and get. Now let us see how find the values of the TMOD to operate the timers as mode 1 timer 1. So if it is mode 1 timer 1, then the value should be 10, because we just place that value for timer 1. Upper nibble is used, means D4 to D7, and for timer 0, D0 to D3 are used. At the time of theory lecture, we will go in detail regarding this TMOD register or how to program the 8051 timers. So there are two timers as stated earlier, timer 0, timer 1. Then we will go for in detail analysis of TMOD. Then what is the significance of C slash T? If it is C slash T is equal to 0, it is used as timer. If it is 1, it is related as counter. Then there is a problem like that. Find the timer's clock frequency, its period, and its period. Clock frequency, or you have to determine clock frequency as well as period with the following frequencies. So they have varied the frequency. If the frequency of crystal is 12 megahertz, 16 megahertz, and third frequency is 11.0592. So at that time, what should be the time period will be there? So look at that. If the frequency is 12 megahertz, so for that crystal, there is a divided by 12 network is utilized. So that 12 divided by 12, it is 1 microsecond. Actually, you know that time period is the reciprocal of frequency. Then if it is 16 megahertz, time period becomes less, that is 0.75 microsecond. And if it is 11.0593, the time period is 1.085 microsecond. So here remark is that 8051 timers use 1 upon 12 of the crystal frequency regardless of the machine cycle time. So we will see afterwards how the timer 0 and 1 are started or stopped the instructions. So then mode 1 programming is there. Then steps to program in mode 1. So for the mode 1, a TMOD is loaded with 0 1. Here we have loaded TMOD with 2 0, meaning is that it is operating in mode 2. Timer 0, mode 1. So depending upon it is 0102 or 1020, that means which timer and which mode we are utilizing. As per that, TMOD value will be changed. When I load that count to the TH1 A4, and then I toggle that pin 1.0. Means if it is a, make it pulse low, and I will start the timer. Again J and B. Then what happens after timer starts? That code 0 A4 gets getting incremented. 0 A5 A6 right? Up to when? Up to it will be incremented. This is the 8-bit timer. Look here. Just 20 means it is a 8-bit timer at reload mode. So, so that's why that up to FF it will be incremented. After that, timer flag 1 gets set, and again I will if the status is 1, I will make it clear, complement it 0, or if either it is previously it is 0, I will make it 1. So that's why we will observe the square wave at the output pin number 1.0. So for that, better practice is that you will have to use Book of Majdi, and this unit is page number 215, or the chapter is 8051 timer programming in assembly and C. So we'll see the coding in assembly as well as C also, embedded C. So let us see the code in C. So is there any doubt regarding to this code? You may put in chat box or speak to with me. Chirag Patil, do you have any doubt? समझते क्या चिराग पाटिल? You may type it here or speak with me if anybody has doubt regarding this square wave generation code. So in that we will see three codes. The next practical we will see that is generate a 50% duty cycle using assembly and C. So this code you have to write. Then you have to write for C code. Then another you have to generate square wave with 70% duty cycle. So you have to write that three codes. So for that 70% you just go for the assembly. If you have time you will do in C also. So now we will see the code in C. So up till now anybody have doubts you may speak. I think time just 10 minutes are remaining. Let me check on the mail. If it is a code ready is there, I will copy and paste and show you the result. Nothing is there. Just I will. You can do it practice at home. Just you have to write. You have, just keep some precautions that while saving the file, you have to. If you want to run the code in C, you have to write the .c extension. This square .c will be there, not ASM. Then starting, just I will show you how to write that. So here it will be first syntax will be like that hash include then register 51.h reg 51.h. So what is this? This is the header file. Then we'll go for s bit set bit my bit is equal to p1.0 p1. See how syntaxes are changes in C. Don't forget to write semicolon. So in assembly we are not writing the semicolon. Then void main void, that is main function, void main. Then that is this one. Then keyboard is loaded with 0x small x here to 0. That is to 20 hex is loaded into keyboard register. Then th1, th1 is equal to 0x 0x 0a4 0 a 4, right? Then I will start timer 1. For that, tr1 is equal to semicolon, sorry, tr1 is equal to 1, enter. Then while 1, I will use while loop, while if the condition follows, I will complement that my bit. My bit is equal to 1, semicolon. Then I will check for the timer flag, while timer flag 1 is equal to 0. Then timer flag, I will reset that timer flag. Then it is overflow. Timer flag is equal to 0. Then my bit is equal to 0. So this is the code in C to generate a square wave of 50% duty cycle. So just save this file. So I will save it as a square.c. So then I have to copy this. Before copying, if possible, I will remove this. So again, next step is that I have to copy this file to the source group one. So it is C file. Here you have to check that the file is the source file. Now it will be appearing in the window. Square.c. I'll add it. Close. Then next step is I have to translate. So it shows two errors on line number 12 and 14. So here it is error. It may be some syntax error. And 14 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Syntax error here. So the code may be like that. You have to check that. Let us see. Here, 12 number line. TF. Sorry, here it is TF1 is there. It can't understand whether it is related to type of 1 or type of 0. So right here 1, TF1 is equal to 0. So again I save it. Again I translate it. One more error is there. So on 14 line, syntax error near hash expected semicolon. So I think y bit is equal to 0. Here semicolon is missing. Right? Then I save it. So then I now it is fine. 0 error 0 1. So we done half one and it is linking. Then again I rebuild it. Right? Then I debug it. So this is the case. I don't know which pin I have to set that port 1.0. So go to the setup. So bit mode. So here it is. First I first remove that earlier one. I will new insert right port 1.0. Select that. The color is green. Fine. Here instead of analog, here you have to make the change as a bit. And then close. So we had to run it. Last time we have forgotten to run. And so that square wave appears. If you make the zoom in or zoom out, it on. So this is output. But here seeing that off time is very less. So that depends on the code you have written in the that 0A4 code, that timer value. If you change that, the duty cycle may be changed. or it will be related to delay. Find out exact answer on which parameter, that on and off time in code. You have to do it practically and find out the answer. So today we will stop here. Almost time is finished, and thanks a lot for attending. So let's end the meeting. Before that, I will see the participants who are present up till now. Okay, 13 are there. Thanks. Um, so for this write-up, I will post on the practical classroom, Google Classroom. On the day while coming for the next, you submit it within 2 days. Just write that and try to run this code. Uh, Anybody has doubt? Because you have next session on 12:40 right now. Just 12:31 now. So today we have one more theory session that I am planning to do some memory related numericals. Let us see what happens. So I end the meeting.